Hi friends, it's Mimi from Kids Stories and More. I was approached by Kyojoy, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Kyojoy, with an opportunity to review an educational toy. And you know there's nothing more important to me than education for our young kids. And this seemed like a great idea. They're talking flashcards actually. But what's great about these talking flashcards is that it supports early learning, early literacy, early memorization, but they're bilingual. Yes, you heard that right. It is bilingual learning. And we know from studies that children learn, the younger they are, the easier it is for them to learn a capacity of different languages than it would be for me, let's say, to learn more than one language. So we're going to open this together because I have not even opened the box, to be honest with you. It's called the Q-Pad. See that there? It's my first learning pad. Okay. It has 40 fun lessons, bilingual learning, 1,300 plus sounds and melodies, as well as 3 songs and 70 games, done in English and in Spanish. I'm excited for this. Hold the phone. Oh my goodness. Let me get something to open this up, because we want to dive into this. Okay. Oh my, look at this. Okay, so this is the pad. It's very lightweight. You could hold it up with a finger. Okay, it's very lightweight. Plastic. Nice vibrant colors. Okay, and I see here, there's space right here to put your card in. Okay, I'm assuming that's the reader and the repeater. I don't see any, oh, and then there's a switch right here. Let's look into, next thing I see here is a parent guide, which is very important, as we know. Let's open this up and see what we see. All right, so shows you the different parts of the toy. Okay, we have the power and volume button, which is on the side here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Can you? Let's see if you can see. Oh, here we go. Can you see that? There we go. Power and the different, okay. So it's pull up or down on the power button to turn on and off, 2 levels of volume adjustment. So very simple. It's not going to be blaring your ears out, but if you need a little bit more, you can push it up a bit. LED light will be showing around this button. Number 3, the speaker. Well, obviously you can see on either side of the button, there's holes. That's where the speaker is. Okay, we have the home button. And then there's a battery compartment back for battery storage and battery replacement, 1.5 volt or AAA. Okay, and that will be in the back. It's a screen-free learning machine. That's what we need, folks, okay? Too many kids are on screens all day long, whether it's the TV, the computer, the phone, the iPad, and what have you. So this is a screen-free toy, but it's still learning. And it's great for on the go. I mean, it's light. It could fit in the diaper bag. It could fit in your purse. It could fit in a backpack. Very easy. This would be a great item to take with you on the go. You never know. I mean, how many times do you get to the post office and there's a wait? Or you're at the supermarket and there's a long line in checkout. This could be the thing you whip out for a few minutes instead of the phone to get those kids learning. I got the cover off, and just, this is the only part that you need to take off. I'm going to insert the batteries and we'll get this thing going. Okay, now I want to show you the cards. The cards are actually kind of neat. They're not paper. They're like I'd say like a vinyl. They're bendable, but they're sturdy. I'll show you the first card. Now, as you see here, okay, you see all the different parts of the hospital. Now, I don't know if you noticed the icons on the bottom. The yellow is an advanced game. I guess that's red. The red is a basic game. The blue is amazing sounds. The pink is word learning, and the green is language switch. So let's try this. Let's put it in. I'm going to turn this on. Lit right up. I don't know if you were able to see that. Can you see that? Did for a moment. Going to put the card in. All right, let's hear it. I'm going to turn this up so you can hear it too.
Please touch the function icons to play.
All right, let's try the first one. I touched the green one, which is language switch.
Silla de ruedas.
So even though it was on the English side, when I switched the language, it reads it to you in Spanish. So that way you can associate it. So if your first language is English, you'll get to see what they're talking about as well as hear it in the other language. And then I could switch it back.
Doctor.
There you go. All right, so we can just kind of...
Stretcher. Tray.
So you get to hear all the parts of the hospital in this one. Now let's try the pink.
In the hospital. Let's learn the words here together by pressing green icons.
All right, so green icons. Let's try some.
Nurse. IV stand. Thermometer.
And you don't even have to press hard.
Doctor.
I'm barely touching it. At first I was pressing it, but then I realized it's just very sensory, which is great. So if you are a child or a person that has trouble, maybe has cerebral palsy or has fine motor issues, you're not sitting there, or even arthritis, whatever the case may be, and you don't have that muscle tone, especially for young toddlers that don't have the built up muscle tone, that's great. They just kind of put their finger right on it. All right, let's try the blue.
Amazing sounds. Guess what you will hear by pressing the green icons with your finger.
Let's hear.
Instrument trays are used in medical and surgical rooms to place. The doctor will usually use a stethoscope to listen to the sounds of your body.
Isn't that great? You get the sensory. It's the audio and the visual together. Let's try the red. Actually, I'm going to, well, you know what? I'm going to keep it on this side first.
Guess where I am. Press the green icons to find the answer on the card after listening to the question. Stretcher.
Ooh, so we need to find the stretcher.
Good job. Tray. Correct. IV stand.
Now let's get it wrong and see what happens. IV stand.
Relax. Don't give up. IV stand.
Where's the IV stand?
You are so smart. Stethoscope.
I love the positive reinforcement on here, and even when I got the answer wrong, it was still encouraging, which is great for early learners. Now let's see what the yellow one does.
Where we are. Press the green icons to find the answer in order on the card. Are you ready? Thermometer. Stethoscope. Doctor. IV stand.
So what do you do?
Sorry. Think again. Thermometer. Good job.
Okay, so you see how this works. I'm going to take another card. This one's at the fire station. But this time I'm going to put it in the, let me see, lights. I'm going to put right here.
Botiquín de primeros auxilios. Traje de materiales peligrosos. Sonidos asombrosos. Adivina lo que escucharás pulsando en los iconos verdes con el dedo.
Do you not love this? And there's a boatload of more cards here. We have at the airport, things I like, in the park, things around your house, in the city. This is great for learning months and time. They have seasons and weather and dinosaurs and all kinds of interesting topics to your student. This would be good in a classroom. They have the alphabet. There's a load more cards in here. It has gaming. It has riddles. It's great for, I would love this in an ESL classroom. That would mean English as a second language, or, you know, or in a Spanish class, like in a preschool. This is great for, like I said, on the go. You're at the restaurant and it's whoops, I'm going to turn this off. It's taking a while for your meal to come, right? And we're trying to keep the little ones busy, and they're getting into everything. They're touching the salt and the sugar, and they're getting cranky because whip this out. This is the go-to. It's great. Those batteries will last for a while. It's not just, you know, like basic words. I mean, they're learning all kinds of things that you're going to want them to know in the first few years. And it promotes literacy development, memory development. Like I said, it's great for sensory because you got the audio, the visual. So each kind of learner will benefit from it. It's great for special needs as well. Maybe your child is chronologically 10, but cognitively at a younger age. This would be great for, you know, I'd say from 1 to 6 for a neurotypical child. But even beyond that, if you just want to teach your child Spanish and they don't already know the language. Like I said, it's great for long lines, for car rides. You're taking a long car ride to visit grandma. This is great for the back seat. Okay. I really like this product. It seems very sturdy. And these cards, because of the vinyl, they'll wipe off nicely. It's not like paper. So if something got on this, I mean, I would not eat around this, you know, because you don't want food and drink to get in here and to destroy the thing. But if you had the cards laying on the table and something spilled on it, you could easily wipe that off, which I think is great, especially with our little ones. It's not paper, so it's not going to tear. So it's very indestructible in that respect. I really like this product. I think Kia Joy really hit it out of the park with this one. And I am actually going to gift this to my good friend D Nice. Her granddaughter would love this, I think. And I think this would be a great baby shower gift, a great first Christmas gift or birthday gift or anything like that. This would be a great gift for anyone, or for a teacher that has a preschool class or a toddler class, or even a first or second grade class. It's great to have in like a centers area. There's so many uses for this, and because it has so many different modes, it won't get boring. You're going to have your riddles where you got to search for it. You're going to have your different languages that you can learn from. Okay? I think I really recommend this. I really like this. And I wouldn't, if I really thought less of it, I would tell you. I recommend this. I think that this would be a great, great item to have in your home, on your shelf, in your bag at all times, in the car, in the back, those back pockets, the back seat where your kid's sitting there in their car seat, bored out of their gourd. This is it. All right. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this review. One more thing I forgot to mention. The great thing about this is, let's say you're in the car or wherever you are, your child's playing with this, and then they put it down for a while. You get out of the car, you got to your destination, and they leave it. Power's on. Oh my goodness, we're wasting the battery? After 3 minutes, this will automatically shut off. So then when you get back to the car, you could just power down, power back up, and it'll come back on. So that's good for saving your battery life, which as parents, we know anything that's battery operated, you don't want to be buying a million batteries every other week for this thing, for any toy. So to save battery life is a savings. Again, Kid Stories and More, please like, share, subscribe. Share this with other people that you think would get a lot of use out of this toy. It's a learning device. It would really come in handy in any household or classroom. See you soon. Bye.